I am happy to now introduce you to Dr. Tamara Carver, who recently joined our team to set up a new Office of Educational Technology and Online Learning at the Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences. We are committed to providing the same immersive educational experience we have offered in person at the Steinberg Center through exciting online technology under Tamara's leadership.
Clearly, we are living in a time when online learning is not the future, it is truly the present of education. It is amazing because it provides access to learning that may have not been possible before and provides flexibility to how and when you learn. My role is to build innovative and effective strategies in support of technology-enhanced learning and teaching at the Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences. To explore new ways of delivering training, we will build a fully equipped, multifunctional recording studio here at the Steinberg Center and bring together a team with the technical and creative skills to run it. This will allow us to film and live stream training sessions and develop online and blended education programs to support our department, our schools, and our units within the Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences. As part of this process, we will add new interactive learning platforms and integrate new virtual technologies, including virtual augmented reality and virtual patient programs. Another great location here at the center is the Clinical Evaluation Suite, where we can train clinicians on telemedicine. This room contains 14 seats that can be connected to a clinical examination room for remote faculty and monitoring and evaluation of clinical encounters. In fact, I think this room has potential multifunctional purposes that we can explore as we build the new Office of Education Technology and Online Learning. Another level of excitement is the use of online technology to reach out and support members of our community. In the next part of our tour, you will learn about the community outreach project that we are involved in with Claire Webster, Dr. José Moret, and Dr. Serge Gauthier. We will be working with them to develop the online dementia education program so that all caregivers can receive support and education from the convenience of their homes. We will also train formal caregivers, health professionals, first responders, and medical students, as well as other professionals such as finance and legal experts, so that they are better prepared to work with dementia patients.
Thanks, Tamara. There are exciting changes on the horizon, and we are grateful to have your expertise as we embrace this phase of online learning.